Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can cut a video in Davinci Resolve. So first let me remove this particular video from my timeline. Then firstly I'm going to insert a video in my timeline. So let's say I'll insert this particular video. Now, so as you can see, this is the video that I have in my timeline. Now, there are multiple ways how you can cut a video in Davinci Resolve. The first method is you can choose the blade tool over here. Then just simply scroll over your video. Then as you can see, there is a red line and a blade icon shown on your timeline. So wherever your blade tool and the red line is on your timeline, if you do a left click, it will make a cut on that particular spot. So if you want to make a cut somewhere else as well, you can just simply go there and again left click, by which you can do this much faster. So because by using the blade tool, what you have to do is just simply go to this blade icon over here, then choose the blade icon, then look over the video like this and then make a cut like this. Or what you can do is just simply press B on your keyboard and you will get the blade tool, and again you can do the same things. But what is more easier is just simply take your player head and go to a place where you want to make a cut, and then just simply click and hold Ctrl plus backslash. That will make a cut for you. And you can still do editing, you can move around the clips and all that kind of things. But the other way you can also do this is simply again by taking the player head to the position where you want to make a cut, then press Ctrl B, and that will do the same thing. And the better thing about this particular shortcut is that you don't have to use the blade tool, because when you're using the blade tool, you cannot do any modifications to the clip whatsoever. The only thing that you can do is just simply cut. To actually modify the clip, you have to again simply select the arrow icon over here or press A on your keyboard. So you have to do complete 2 clicks to actually do something over here. But by using the split method over here, you can just simply click Ctrl or B and your video will be split in half. And then you can also play around with your video without clicking any more buttons. You can also add a shortcut if you want to. So for doing that, just simply go to Davinci Resolve over here, then keyboard customization, then simply search split and go to edit. As you can see over here, there is split clip, and the command for it is Ctrl plus backslash. You can just simply click the plus icon over here and add a new shortcut for it. So let's say 9. So just add the new shortcut, then just simply click save. So you have to change the name, let's say split, then press OK, then just simply close this. And now just simply take your player head to a location where you want to make a cut, and then just simply press the 9 to make a simple cut, and that's it. That's how you can cut a video in Davinci Resolve. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.